How to refund items on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Roblox application on your device, you can use any browser that you have as well. Here I'm going for the mobile application of Roblox application. So just make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. As you check for the connection, make sure that you're logged into your account over here. Now, as you're logged into your account, what you simply need to do is tap on this icon at the top of the screen. So tap on it and here you'll be able to see the option of Robux. So this Robux is what is your balance. So you have to get items over here. Now, since you can see on the screen, I have not had any items on Roblox, so I will not have to refund anything. But if I have to, all you need to do is just tap on this Roblox app feature and you'll be able to see whichever items you would want to refund. After that, tap on the more section at the bottom of the screen and then tap on help and safety. Tap on help, and as you tap on help, what you simply need to do is tap on the search bar over here and search for refund. Now as you tap on refund, just search for it. And now just scroll down, and as you scroll down, just make sure that you have your questions answered. If not, you can just contact the Roblox support team and send them the message that you want to refund the items in Roblox. So just mention your associated email ID or any username over there so that they can refund your items on Roblox. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.